Sciteex was designed and built from the ground up to be an all-encompassing CP monitoring, management, control, and reporting system. The system combines data-gathering hardware, control and interruption hardware, and a purpose-built, powerful and intuitive web application to enable continual monitoring, automatic surveys and precise closed-loop control of your CP system. Through early detection, instant notification, and automatic rectification of CP problems, Sciteex will help extend the life of your asset. Sciteex hardware builds upon your existing CP infrastructure. Field devices include TrueLink, Polylog, Interlog, and TrueSync. Polylog and Interlog are our CP test point monitors. TrueLink is our CP unit monitor, interrupter and controller. Our field hardware communicates through state-of-the-art wireless systems with our secure, cloud-based platform Sciteex Central. Together, Sciteex provides a complete monitoring solution which can eliminate the need for manual CP surveys. Additionally, we will be implementing machine learning and closed-loop control to enable continually optimized protection of assets. Polylog utilizes proven and rock-solid polarization measurement techniques to gather data before sending it to a central location using state-of-the-art communication systems. With a 200 megaohm input impedance, millisecond accurate timing, and a high-quality 16-bit ADC, Polylog can measure instant-off potential with industry-leading precision, whilst also complying with all of the requirements of AS2832. In addition to instant-off measurements, Polylog can complete full instant-off surveys, depolarization surveys, stray current surveys, and even monitor IJs, or third-party crossings, through the 20 mV criteria. In addition to surveys, all Polylogs and Interlogs conduct continual monitoring of various parameters. These include on potentials, instant-off potential, AC voltage, temperature, location, battery state, and device status. Soon, there will be options to include monitoring of anode current, electrical resistance probes, vibration, and other variables. Interlog adds a 2-amp internal relay. This allows it to interrupt galvanic systems to measure instant-offs or anode potentials. It can also interrupt coupons for coupon instant-offs or coupon depolarization measurements. All of our test point monitors incorporate surge diversion and a high-tolerance front end to reduce the risks posed by lightning or induced voltages. TrueLink adds instant monitoring, interruption, and control to a TRU. 4 analog inputs allow complete monitoring of a TRU, whilst digital outputs can pilot a relay or interrupter, and an analog output can enable remote control of the TRU setpoint. All of these devices employ either LoRaWAN or Myriota satellite for comms. Both of these options are extremely power efficient and much cheaper than more traditional communication methods such as 3G or Iridium satellite. Myriota satellite technology is perfectly suited to CP monitoring and allows transmission from anywhere in Australia without the need for installation of any other infrastructure. Our custom-designed enclosures were designed specifically to fit inside the various types of test points which are commonly used in Australia. They are made from UL F1 outdoor-rated plastic and utilize 316 stainless steel fasteners. The enclosures are IP67 rated, even with the cable gland and external antennas installed. We use a long-life, high-temperature rated lithium thionyl chloride battery and expect the battery life to be in excess of 10 years under typical operating conditions. Sciteex Central is a vastly intuitive and powerful CP management interface that will give you more insight into your CP performance than ever before. By utilizing maps and binding data to assets, you can navigate intuitively and interact with your assets rather than just interacting with data loggers. Sciteex Central works as a cathodic protection asset management tool from commissioning to decommissioning of assets. Corrosion instruments will provision your assets, pipelines, sections, and test points for you. Once the Sciteex field device is installed in the field, it will start sending messages including its geographic location. When messages are received by your uncommissioned field devices, the device will appear in the commissioning list. Sciteex Central allows you to automatically assign the device to the closest test point, or you can manually assign the device to an asset, section, location, and test point. The company overview page presents a summary of all of your CP data in one spot. You can view an asset summary by clicking on an asset. Or you can view a test point overview by hovering over a test point. You can easily see if a test point is protected, unprotected, or under fault by observing its icon and color. You can also view details of whole pipelines, pipeline sections, or individual test points. Finally, our TrueLink controllers allow closed-loop feedback control of your TRU, enabling accurate and optimized control of the entire pipeline, not just a discrete point adjacent the TRU. By closing the control loop with the TrueLink, Sciteex Central becomes significantly more effective. Not only does it monitor your data, but it can now ensure that your CP system is always operating optimally. It can rectify many issues automatically and automate manual and repetitive tasks. Through early detection, instant notification, and automatic rectification of CP problems, Sciteex Central will extend the life of your asset.